Hey guys, I wanted to take just a minute to walk you through how you are going to complete this assignment. You'll notice we have 8 planets here. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. You are going to take this opportunity to kind of get a little more familiar with the 8 planets. I'm going to walk you through how to do Earth because it's a planet that we're all a bit familiar with already. When you click on the planet, it pulls up a link. You want to click the blue letters right here, and that will open up the link in a new tab. We have here at the top where it says Earth Facts. It compares the size of the planet on other planets. It'll compare it to the Earth, so you can see which planet is bigger or smaller than the Earth. This one compares it to the Moon. Over here we have Earth's profile. Each planet has a little profile here. The information here can vary a little bit. Sometimes it may have a little bit more information. We know that Earth has one known moon. On some planets with more than one moon, it may have names listed here for the moons. Orbit distance, that's the distance that it takes for the planet to go around the sun one full time. And the orbit period is how long that takes. Surface temperature. You may see a range here. They are in Celsius, so make sure you're paying attention to that. -88 to 58 degrees Celsius. That's very cold, that's very hot. Well, not very hot. It's kind of think of the hottest place on the earth, and that's what you've got. In the center here, it's got fun facts about Earth. You don't necessarily need to read all of these. You could even focus just on some of those bold sentences here. Earth is the most dense planet in the solar system. Remember, density compares the mass of an object to the volume of the object. So we've got a lot of mass in a small amount of space for Earth. Talks about the atmosphere here, a magnetic field. The first life on Earth developed in oceans. You can kind of just read a little bit of interesting facts here. When you get to your assignment, you are going to fill out the rotation, the revolution, the number of moons, and the temperature. So over here, we had the number of moons. We had the orbit period. Remember, that's our revolution. We had our surface temperature. And for your rotation, it may be listed up there, or you may have to kind of scroll a little bit, read through some of this additional information. Here we see orbit and rotation. And so you'll want to read through this a little bit to find the information you're looking for. A second commonly known characteristic is that Earth takes approximately 24 hours to complete rotation. As we know, the Earth takes about 365 days to orbit. If you looked up above, the orbital period it listed was 365.26 Earth days. Remember that 1/4 Earth day is what gives us our leap year every 4 years. So that's the information you'll plug in here. Each planet is set up pretty similarly. Let me know if you have any trouble finding the information you need. Good luck.